best results. My name is Angelica Diaz. Here is my technological innovation proposal for Lucio Motorcycles Repair Shop. Digital management and diagnostic system for motorcycles repairs. The innovation consists of digital systems that allows the efficient management of motorcycle repairs, integrating advanced diagnostic, real-time monitoring and maintenance, history tracking. This system improves diagnostic accuracy and optimizes repair time, increasing customer satisfaction. Um, Second, number one, how are you protecting the intellectual property generated from the post-process innovation? The intellectual property system is protected through the registration of copying on the software as well as patents related to its innovative technological component. In addition, confidentiality agreements are in place to protect the information during negotiation with third parties. Second, two, how do you do? How do you evaluate the proposal? The proposal is valued using the real option method calculated with decision tree, which allowed estimating the future value of the innovation based on the flexibility adaptability of the system to different market of conditions. The estimated value of the innovation is calculated of 50 million Colombian pesos. Considering the volume cost, project revenues, and associated risks. Second three. Under what condition will you market the value proposition? Exclusivity. Exclusive licensing will be granted to selected workshops in a specific region for an initial period of 50 years. Scope. License limited to operation with Colombian with the option of international expansion. Cost. An initial license fee plus a monthly fee for system maintenance and upgrades. Support. Included Intel training for work teams and ongoing technological support. And confidentiality. Licensing will be required to sign no discussory agreement to project system that data undersea technology. The design set to attract motorcycle shop interested in innovation, in creating their productivity and improving their competitive position in the market.
Hello, my name is Tatiana Reyes. Innovation proposal. The Internet Management System for Luxury Motorcycle shows is innovative. It is a digital system designed to optimize the operation of motorcycle repair shops. It includes functionalities such as online appointment management, automated inventory control, real-time tracking of repair and digitization of customer and service records, including efficiency, and customer experience. How are you protecting the intellectual property generated from the process innovation? Registration of the software under copyright. Trademark registration for the system name and logo. Patent application to protect unique technologies. Confidentiality agreements with partners and developers. Under what conditions will you market the value proposition? Non-transferable and customizable license-based add-ons premium. Seeking guide, clear period, and low discount. Basic technical support and training included. Thank you so much.
Good evening, colleagues and tutor. My name is Mauricio Castro Gonzalez. I am a 7th semester industrial engineering student. We are going to see the 4 aspects of a technological negotiation in Lucho's Motorcycle Workshop. This is the company we have had for review. So, one aspect to consider is trade secrets. 2, the cost approach method. 3, the estimated cost we will have. And 4th, the agreements that can be made with stakeholders. Among the trade secrets, being an integrated system, what we seek is to track with all this technology, look for repairs. The entire history that a customer has under software, seeking workflow, ensuring that all processes have complete traceability from start to finish. After that, we will look at the cost of the approved method, which is the approach. In the cost is where we are developing an entire technology, an entire implementation, an entire digital part, an IO-ETI, which is an entire infrastructure that helps us measure all the indicators, how we fluctuate, and how we develop. The entire process.
Good night, my name is Alexander Esquivel, radio frequency for inventories. The development of economic laws evidence is profit to establish the talent, control of the company of materials, restraint of the WMS before the intellectual property register and SIG. Incidents cost 12 million, implement inventories, 3 months, return of the inventories. 12 signs implementation or production. Provision of the service way to in the house resolved for 2 months, hybrid abstention for 3 months, and remote modem for the following 6 months.